So this video is all about Starbucks. I won't keep you too long, but let me tell you a little bit something about my love of Starbucks. Okay, so I have been a gold member of Starbucks since 2013. Let me tell you, honey, every year I look forward to holiday drinks, the change up of food, and everything else. I mean, if I wasn't trying to build my credit, I would probably have a Starbucks credit card. But they ain't gonna get me. Not yet. But when I say I love Starbucks, I love Starbucks. I ain't putting no lip gloss on or nothing. God, like I was saying. Alright, so today's video is about my love of Starbucks. And let's see. When I go to Starbucks, I never order stuff off the menu. I mean, maybe if I'm just bored one day and I don't feel like drinking, I will, but I never order regular stuff off a Starbucks menu. And if you go to Starbucks a lot, you know, people who drink regular coffee can't go to Starbucks. I mean, it's hard for them to go to Starbucks. I've witnessed it. I've witnessed people standing in line like, how do I just get a regular cup of coffee? Like, go somewhere with that. Go to Dunkin' if you want a regular cup of coffee. Here, we do massive drinks. Here we do extravaganza drinks, okay? So my first drink, I like to call it my butter pecan. There is a recipe online for it, but I kind of modify it. So the butter pecan, you want to get a vanilla bean frappuccino. Add 2 scoops of hazelnut or 2 pumps of hazelnut, 2 pumps of caramel, and then you want them to blend it with heavy whipping cream instead of milk. Okay? Top it with whipped cream, and then you want to do either like the toasty crunchies or like caramel drizzle. It's going to taste just like butter pecan. That is my favorite drink. It's so good. It's so addictive. My second favorite drink, which is super basic if you love chocolate and you just want to sip liquid chocolate, then you want to get an iced mocha, right? Iced mocha. You want to pump 2 extra pumps of mocha in the coffee, okay? Then you want to add like 2 pumps of vanilla, 2 pumps of toffee nut, all into that. Hazelnut has like chocolate undertones, and caramel just adds to the sweetness. So mixing toffee nut with caramel with extra chocolate, it's gonna taste like you drinking sweet death. But sometimes if you are craving chocolate and you're on your period, it's probably the best drink ever. So sometimes you see people walking out of Starbucks and they have those green drinks. And you're like, what is that? Ew. It is a green tea frappuccino. It is made with the powdered green tea, the matcha. And now you got to remember, Starbucks, their matcha is already pre-sweetened. So you really don't want to add too much sweetened stuff to it, or it's going to be too sweet and you might die. So I got 1 standard size for you to try. You want to do a grande green tea frappuccino. 1 scoop of vanilla, okay? 2 pumps of toffee nut. That's it. Don't add no milk. Do it with almond milk or coconut milk and just a little bit, but you don't need it, okay? But just some vanilla and just some toffee nut. That's it. That's all you want to do. Toffee nut is probably my best or my favorite add-in, but it's amazing. Another drink I just made up the other day. It's really good. Probably haven't had this before, but the London Fog. Now, it is not advertised as much. It is on their menu, but it's not advertised as much. But a little bit of additions to it, it's going to be amazing. So you want to get a grande hot London Fog. It's going to come with 2 tea bags, but you're going to add an extra tea bag, okay? Now, this has lavender flavors, bergamot. It's really smooth and sweet. So you're going to add an extra tea bag to this drink. It's a tea. And then you're going to add 2 pumps of the caramel syrup. Yes, yes. And make sure, and they only make this drink hot, okay? So once they give it to you, it's going to be 3 tea bags seeping in it. It's going to be hot as heck. And then you add the caramel, whatever. Get you a separate cup of ice. And after you let that soak, them tea bags soak, pour it over the ice. And it's going to change your life. And I'm just telling y'all, the best things to get on a Starbucks menu. Make up your own drinks, okay? You gotta test stuff out. Make up your own drinks. Cranberry Bliss bars. Oh my God. You can get a whole box of Cranberry Bliss bars right now for about $13, $14. You gotta try the Cranberry Bliss bars. I don't hear too many people talk about the Thanksgiving stuffing holiday sandwich. Listen, I don't know who in the Starbucks kitchen decided that this was a good idea, but they need a hug because this sandwich has cranberries, stuffing, turkey, and cheese on a freaking panini sandwich. The best. The freaking best. This season, I've been getting just my Cranberry Bliss bars. I recently tried the egg bites. They're pretty good, but they're like extra cheesy. And every time you order them, they're like super, super hot. But like I said, I love to make up my drinks. And toffee nut is probably the best thing to blend stuff with. If you ever get, a lot of people always get caramel frap, or caramel mixed with mocha. Next time you get your caramel frappuccino, add toffee nut to it and it will change your life. Why am I so in love with toffee nut? I don't know, but I love Starbucks. I would say I probably spend $25 or more a week on Starbucks. I'm a gold member to the end of 2020, October 2020. I am active on their board. I give suggestions for their app, suggestions for their menu. Every time there's a new drink, I try it first. Ooh, speaking of a new drink, y'all have to try the strawberry frappuccino, right? The one with no coffee is cream based. Do the strawberries and cream, but you need them to add an extra scoop of strawberry and add 2 pumps of the mocha. And if you really want to be funny, add mocha and add a banana. Yes, they will blend up fruit for you, so don't sleep on it. Make them work. You can add bananas. You can add blueberries. If you're getting a real good Starbucks, they will blend anything into your drink for you. I used to get this drink all the time back in the day that was like caramel, toffee nut, and a banana blended in it. And it was like a meal in a cup. Like, seriously. But yeah, you gotta try the strawberries and cream with extra strawberries. Add some mocha syrup and a banana. It is basically a banana split. I mean, it basically is. I'm waiting for Starbucks to come up with a peanut butter. If they come up with a peanut butter frappuccino, life is done. Anyway, that is my Starbucks chat. You got to try some of these drinks. I'm going to put some recipes in the bottom, and I will holler at y'all. Deuces.
Bag flipping, cash tripping, pull up,